Changing the shocks on a 1978 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Jacked it up, put the jack stand at the jack point. Here are the original shocks, held in by 2 bolts, one at the top, one on the bottom down there. That's the old original shock with the bump stop. We're going to be replacing them with KYB Gas-a-Just. We already did the other side, and the bolts actually came out without much effort, so we'll see how this side goes. Always on an older vehicle use rust bust or anything. We're also just trying to scrape off the nut to get any debris off there. Just spray the rust bust on there, let it sit for a while, and then go at it. Here's the original from the other side. You can see the VW and Audi logos. Made in Germany. It's just completely beaten up. You can compress it by hand, which you're not supposed to do. And you can see it's all cracked. Alright, this is a 19mm bolt. I'm just going to hit it with an impact gun. Ready? As you can tell, this one's being a bit more stubborn. We're going to put a wrench on it and a hole back on the back and try to crack it by hand. The other side came right off, but they're old bolts. What do you expect? Also, 19mm is exactly the same as 3/4 inch for standard size. We were spinning the entire bolt, so we're just trying to get a hole back on there, and we'll just hit it again. All right. Go. Spinning and we're good. Alright, so the top's got nut washer. And then the bolt will come straight back through that cavity and fall down. As you can see, the shock is destroyed on this side. Just gotta get the bolt a little bit of persuasion. I'll take a video when it's out. So the bolt sits in there like this. It'll be 19mm on the outside. The head is 17mm. So the inside's got this big washer, outside's got the lock washer, and it just sits through the shock like that. As you can tell, it came separated. And now for the bottom. So on the bottom, same thing, but both sides of ours is a 19. Might actually be not quite in tight yet. This is us taking the shock out. You gotta give it a twist. There we go. And it's out. There's the test. Yeah, it's trashed. Both of them were this easy to compress. That's supposed to hold the weight of your car up for reference. So if you can compress it with your arms, it's obviously bad. Alright, here's a comparison in size of the heads. The stock ones, the base itself looks a little thicker, but it makes up for it with the spacers on the new ones. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing a washer here, just so it's a better biting surface with the mount. Then on the bottom, the kit comes with 2 spacers. These are the 2 spacers here. When you put them on either side, like that, on both sides here, it is the same length, fits in there perfect. Picture the board as your shock. The bolt's going to go through the mount with the head on the inside of the vehicle. So it goes through the mount, spacer, shock, spacer, through the mount on the other side, then the lock washer and the nut. And we're just putting some lubricant or never sees, whatever you want to do, just in the bolt holes and on the bolts themselves. We're there. There you go. That's what our washer setup looks like. Then just put the nut back on. Alright, so we have the whole thing in. Have not tightened it yet. Show it from the bottom to see the sleeves. think you got it. Here, so it's the bolt, spacer, shock, spacer, washer, nut. We have it now tightened on. We're just going to throw the wheel back on. Take it off the jack stands, and then we can show you the difference in ride height as well. We took some pictures before and after.